What is the law of attraction? Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hand. Bob Proctor. Most people have heard of the phrase the law of attraction, but don't really know what it means. In fact, it's surrounded by mystery. But I don't understand why there is so many people confused about the subject when there are so many excellent books and courses that people can take to learn everything there is to know about the subject. My aim in this article is to give you a head start in the reading and some understanding of what is meant by the phrase the law of attraction. So in summary, the law of attraction states that you will attract into your life whatever you focus on. Whatever you focus on and give your energy and attention to will come back to you. Therefore, if you are focused on the good and positive aspects of your life, you will automatically attract more good and positive things into your life. The law of attraction manifests through our thoughts. So if you think negatively, then negative events will take place in your life. The law of attraction really is a big mystery to many, and they will never discover how to use it to their advantage. One thing that amazes me is that the law of attraction can be learnt so easily. There are so many good books on the topic and courses out there that can be taken, so why don't more people apply it to their lives? For example, Think and Grow Rich is a book which has sold over 100 million copies. So why are there not 100 million millionaires? I think the simple answer is this: people sadly are just lazy. It should be noted that there are so many success stories of people becoming millionaires after reading Think and Go Rich. In fact, probably more than any other book ever written. I think it's a real shame that people will go through life without reaping the rewards of the law of attraction. You have nothing to lose by giving it a go, so why not start today? You have so much to discover. It is working in your life all the time anyway, so you might as well make it work for your advantage. The law of attraction basic principles. When discussing the law of attraction, there are a number of basic principles that need to be understood when speaking about the topic. The first principle is that everything happens in your life that is attracted by you. This applies to both the positive and the negative. Therefore, it is important that you take real responsibility for the fact that everything that happens in your life is a direct impact of your thoughts. A good way to explain the law of attraction would be: think of yourself as a magnet. Now picture that everything else in the world as objects that are attracted by the magnet. Therefore, it is important that you know which object you should stay away from and what thoughts you should try to keep from your head. Believe it or not, even if you do not seek out a thought, it will still draw certain things into your life. Therefore, it's very important that you learn to train your brain and to do the very best not to think negatively at any point. It's important to be focused and positive at all times. The law of attraction really will work wonders in your life. All it requires is a proper understanding of it and applying it correctly. The law of attraction exists even if you don't believe in it. Even if you do not use the law of attraction in your life, or you take advantage of it, it will still always exist and it will always be working there, even negatively. Therefore, this being the case, you should really give it a go in applying it to your life. If you think happy thoughts and fill your mind with happy thoughts, this will attract happiness into your life. This is key to understanding the law of attraction. I cannot stress it enough. In order for the law of attraction to be successful in your life, then you need to fill your mind with positive and happy thoughts. If you bring stress and worry into your life, then unhappiness will follow. If you think and fill your mind with negative thoughts and ideas, then the universe shall attract to you negative results. The law is always in action. You might not be able to see it, smell it or touch it, but the law of attraction is always there, just like gravity is always at work. The difference is you can only see it at work if you practice the discipline and try it for yourself. The law really is used by everyone, even though for most people unconsciously. The law of attraction is used by everyone, even if people are unaware they are using it. The key difference is that successful people often know more about the law of attraction than the average person. The way you think determines the life you live and the way you live. The universe will return what you think. Your mind is a powerful tool, even more powerful than you realise. Honestly, the more positive you think, the more positive events will take place in your life. For the law of attraction to work, you need to manifest your thoughts again and again, and this can be done by repeating them often and then going further by adding feelings, interests and desire. As stated in Think and Grow Rich, wishing is not enough. You must have a burning desire for the law of attraction to work. I highly recommend reading the classic book Think and Grow Rich to gain a full understanding of what is meant by this. But in a nutshell, you need to have more than just a wish. It must be a burning desire to achieve what you are seeking, what you desire. Your mind acts like a magnet, attracting everything in your life. You need to think about yourself as being a magnet, which attracts everything that comes to you. If you think about yourself as a magnet, and as everything else is a magnet, your mind will attract those magnets which are either positive or negative. Thinking and then expecting success without allowing doubt to enter your mind will lead to achieving success. You must truly think that the thing you are thinking of shall become true or will become reality. If you allow doubt to enter your mind, then it will not happen. This is often where people new to the law of attraction go wrong. It's not their fault, because they still need to gain trust in the discipline. Without results, how can you trust and know something will work? Thinking positively shall always attract positive events. Thinking negative thoughts will always attract negative events. This is the rule of the law of attraction. It must be considered as fact if you are going to use the law of attraction effectively in your life. So, in summary now, we are all governed by the law of attraction. The law of attraction treats life as one big circle, and if you practice the law of attraction in the correct way, then good things will come your way. If you think happy thoughts, you will fill your mind with happy thoughts. This will attract happiness into your life. If you bring stress and worry into your life, then unhappiness will follow. There is no escaping from this. Similar energy will attract similar energy. The law is always in action. The law really is used by everyone, even though for most people this is unconsciously. The way you think determines the life and the way you live. For the law of attraction to work for you, you need to manifest your thoughts. This is done by repeating them often and then going further by adding feelings, interests and desire. As stated in Think You Go Rich, wishing is not enough. You must have a burning desire. Your mind acts like a magnet, attracting everything in your life. Wishing for something is not enough. It must be strong. It must be that burning desire in order to manifest what you want. Thinking and then expecting success without allowing doubt to enter your mind will lead to achieving success. Thinking positive shall always attract positive events. Thinking negative thoughts shall always attract negative events. You get out of life what you think about. I hope that I've managed to provide you with an overview of the subject of the law of attraction. Please take a look around my site to learn more about the law of attraction. Please subscribe and join our community. It really means a lot to me if you were to become one of my subscribers. Thank you for listening.